30 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. Tonight, occasional showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Then partly cloudy with chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe in the evening. Lows in the upper 50s. Southwest winds around 10 miles per hour, shifting to the north after midnight. Gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. Friday.
Here we go.
Average storm movement is expected to be to the east at 35 miles an hour. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. The Tulsa, Oklahoma climate summary is of 9 a.m., May 27th, 2021. So far today, the low temperature has been 74 degrees. No precipitation has fallen. Sunset tonight is at 8:32 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 6:09 a.m.